Hey guys, Arthur here. In this video I would like to give you a brief taste of how this painting was made. This painting is one of my Patreon exclusive tutorial videos, and I have good news for those who decide to join me on Patreon. I will provide members of a certain level with constructive critiques of their paintings via message. You can find the details on Patreon under memberships. You can find the link in the video description. And now check the painting process, and if you like the video, hit the like, and if you have friends who might be interested, share it. Thank you so much.